All right, everybody. So today we're going to continue working with time on a number line. That is the theme of this week. But today is going to be a little bit different. You guys are actually going to be working with word problems to figure out where the time goes on the number line. So we're going one step further, a little bit more of a challenge. But you have to be really careful when you're reading these word problems. They have some tricky words in there, so you have to pay really close attention. Are you going forward in time or are you going backwards in time? So you got to figure out where should you be plotting your dot, okay? And I decided to go ahead and show you guys what you're going to be doing on your boom cards today for this lesson because I wanted you guys to get that visual. This is what's expected of me for this activity. So on the bottom of each of your boom cards, you will get the number line. And here, this is not an increment of 1 hour. So they're not showing 1 hour. How many hours are they showing here? They're showing 2, right? And each of these lines right here is representing 15 minutes. How do I know that? Well, I know that because from 2 to 3, if I was to skip count by 15, so 2:15, 2:30, 2:45, 3 o'clock. So I know that each of those lines are increments of 15. Okay, that's what they're skip counting by. And then they're continuing to do that until 4 o'clock. So it's for all the slides. All the slides are very similar to this. They're doing increments of 15 minutes. Yesterday we worked it with increments of 5 minutes between each hour. Okay, so it's a little bit different. So pay close attention to that. So it says, in this word problem, it says, it is 2:45. What time will it be 45 minutes, in 45 minutes? Move the point on the number line to show what time it will be in 45 minutes. So here's your point right here. This is what you're going to move. First thing is first, we need to figure out where 2:45 is on the number line, right? So I'm going to start at 2 o'clock. I'm going to count by 15s. 2:15, 2:30, 2:45. So now they said that what time will it be in 45 minutes? So I'm going forward, right? Not backwards, because we need to figure out what time will it be in 45 minutes? So let's count by 15s until we get to that 45 minutes later, okay? So starting at 2:45, I'm going to go 15, 30, 45. Okay, so my dot's going to go here, right? What time is it now? If I was to skip count, it's 3:30. Let's see if I got it correct. I did. Okay, I'm going to skip some of these to another one. Oh, no, this one's the one I wanted to do next. This one says it is 10:30. Okay, so we need to look on the number line. Where is 10:30? Here's 10 o'clock. Okay, we're skip counting by 15. So 10:15, 10:30. Okay, so this is my starting point. What time was it? What time was it 15 minutes ago? That means I'm going backwards. I'm not going forwards because they want to know what was it in the past. So move the point on the number line to show what time it was 15 minutes ago. So I started here, and now I'm going to skip count by 15 backwards. 15. Ooh, that was easy. I only had to skip count one time. Let's see if I got that one correct. I did. Okay. This one's a similar question to that, so I'm going to keep going until I find another one. Here we go. It is 3:15. Sally needs to catch the bus in 30 minutes. Move the point on the number line to show what time, the time that Sally will catch the bus. All right, well, I need to find 3:15. Here's 3 o'clock. I'm going to find 3:15. The next line is 3:15 because I skip counted by 15s. And then it says she catches the bus in 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to skip count. Ready? 15, 30. Let's see if I got that correct. So now the new time, she catches the bus at what time? She catches it at 3:45. So think about that. Once you figure out where you plotted it, what's the new time? Ooh, I got that one right. Okay. That's similar. Let's see. I want to find one more. Okay. Cleaned her room. Okay. Ashlyn cleaned her room for 30 minutes after school. For 30 minutes. She finished cleaning her room at 3:45. Aha. Move the point to the number line to show what time Ashlyn started cleaning her room. Okay, so I know she finished at 3:45. So I'm going to start my point there. So here's 3 o'clock, 3:15, 3:30, 3:45. Okay, now I need to go backwards 30 minutes because it wants to know what time did Ashlyn start cleaning her room. So it wasn't she didn't start cleaning her room at 3:45. She cleaned it earlier than that, right? So, but we need to skip count by 15s backwards. 15:30. So we moved that dot backwards. Let's see if I got. So now the time she started to clean her room was 3:15. Aha. Okay. And then they're going to start asking you to actually put in the time. So let's practice this one real quick. Suki practice lasts for 30 minutes. So her practice, whatever she's doing, maybe piano or something like that, it lasts for 30 minutes. Her practice ended at the time shown on the number line. What time did her practice begin? So Suki's practice lasts for 30 minutes, okay? What time did her practice begin? All right. So we see that on the number line is when it ended. Her practice ended at the time shown below. So this is when it ended. And that would be, let's count, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45. So that's when it ended. It lasted for 30 minutes. Should I go forwards or should I go backwards to figure out what time it began? I should go backwards, right? I can't go forwards. That would be the future. Nope, we want to go backwards. So this was 8:45, 8:30, 8:15. So the time that she started her practice was 8:15. All right, you guys, I'm going to let you do the rest on your own. Just make sure you're being really good about paying close attention to what the question is asking you. Should you go backwards in times or forwards in times? And remember, we're skip counting by 15s on this one, okay, to figure out the times for each. Good luck.